Okay, that was our immersive unboxing segment. The packaging design for Vivo's new product, the Vivo X300, actually continues that of their previous generation, the X200. It's also this black jewelry box-like form factor, and it has a shiny silver edge, the Zeiss co-engineered blue logo. In terms of appearance, it's very exquisite. Alright, after opening the phone box, we have our usual 4 items, a silicone protective case in the same blue color as the phone. The quality is quite good. And then there's a charger that supports 90-watt fast charging, a data cable, and our phone itself. Okay, let's push the other things aside. The one we have in our hands is the Vivo X300 in the Carefree Blue colorway. It's a light blue color, very fresh. The gloss on the back uses a velvet finish. It feels very warm and smooth to the touch, and it won't attract fingerprints like a normal glossy back. Also, the feel in hand is indeed very nice. A 6.71-inch screen plus a 7.95mm ultra-thin bezel. It's truly the rightful successor to the Vivo X200 Pro. The grip is really great. This Vivo X300 is the first device to launch with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip. Yes, the one that can go head-to-head with the A17 Pro, the Dimensity 9500. We will have a more in-depth performance review later. In terms of imaging, Vivo really pulled off something big this time. The X300's main camera is equipped with a 1/1.4-inch, 200-megapixel custom Samsung CMOS sensor. It's equipped with a Zeiss T asterisk-coated lens, a true imaging powerhouse. In addition, in such a small body, they've packed in a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with an equivalent focal length of 70mm. It supports Zeiss 100x super clear zoom, as well as a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Custom CMOS, periscope, telephoto, these are configurations that were relatively rare in the standard version in the past. Vivo has included them all for you. Not only a custom CMOS, Vivo also collaborated with MediaTek to define a Vivo-exclusive imaging processing VPU within the 9500 specifically for handling zoom and dynamic processing in high-contrast scenes. It also supports full-power 200-megapixel photo output. You can crop wherever you want, and the image quality remains clear. Furthermore, the Vivo X300 comes with Origin OS 6 out of the box. The system UI also has a frosted glass effect, which looks quite nice. The gaming experience probably won't be too bad. Alright, that's it for this unboxing. The Vivo X300 is truly surprising. Although it's the standard version, black technologies for imaging like the custom CMOS, periscope, telephoto, and the hardware-level custom VPU are all present, plus the incredibly powerful Dimensity 9500. This time, Vivo has truly demonstrated what the strongest standard version is. For more review content, including imaging, system experience, performance, and so on, we will conduct in-depth reviews later. Please stay tuned.